Visit lawsuit.com today or call 877-259-2539 to get a free, no-obligation case evaluation. We'll have an attorney near you evaluate your case and answer questions free. Any number of injuries can result from an auto accident. If the devastating results of an auto wreck have left you or your loved one injured, you may be considering a personal injury attorney. According to the City of Los Angeles Department of Transportation, out of over 50,000 collisions reported, 55% resulted in some kind of injury.